Okay. We're going to Dan's marina. What is it?
Yeah.
Her marina, so we can go on a boat and in the water and swim.
I'm on a boat.
And there's Ryan and Rachel, and Dan doesn't like being on camera, so I'm going to show you me.
So when did Dan not like being on camera?
Since the first time I tried to film her.
Really?
Yeah. She asked me not to, so I'm not gonna. I respect people and their wishes.
That looks like my dad.
Anyways, where?
Hi, Dan's dad.
The different one since when?
The GMC.
Say hi. Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm Mark. I like to watch two wizards, as you can see. Nobody has his hat because they suck, but I still like them. How's it going?
There's Mark. There's Ryan.
Kid I know.
We're about to get this dinghy.
Have you heard of Kim English?
No.
He's from here. He played for the Missouri Tigers. I'm friends with him, and he just got drafted for Detroit Pistons.
Really? So this is what they use to get the boats out of the water. Interesting.
Hey guys, it's Ryan here. I'm just taking a little Wiz Khalifa. Finished.
And I'm changing into a bathing suit.
Okay guys, so we're getting changed in the bathroom, and we have to wait for our friend to bring some gas so the boat will actually go. Ooh. You know, I'm gonna have nightmares of that tonight. Alright, so yeah, he's going back in to finish getting changed because obviously it should be illegal to walk around in his boxers, swinging his bulge around, because that's gross. Bear it out. Hey, look, there's someone. Look, it looks like there's someone in the stall, but there's just your shoes. Holy crap! It's like a waterfall. Listen. Oh, you just stopped midstream. Ow.
No.
Oh. People these days are so crazy. Whoop, going sideways. Whoop, going regular ways. Whoop, going this way. Whoop, going upside down. We are upside down. This is the floor and this is the ceiling, but really it's not. It's the other way around. Whoop. There you go. So did you guys check out the new PRTV videos? We got the Star Wars video up, second part, and we got the Batman thing out, which I hang out a window, and Pat is holding. Yeah, but by the time I see this, will probably be close to being up. It'll be up on the.
I'm putting this up tomorrow, so this should be Wednesday.
Well, the Batman will be up on July the 6th, 7th. Okay, just kidding, 7th. Okay, peace out, Girl Scouts. 7th. Whoa! Yeah, we're in a mirror. Duh. You gonna vlog or walk back?
Yes.
Let's see if I can hold it like this. There we go. Hello, self.
I need to wash my hands.
Ew! 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 I almost licked his hand and he had his.
So where are we heading, Ryan?
We're heading to the boat.
The boat. The boat. The boat is on fire. I'm on a boat. I'm on a goat. This is it.
No, I wish. I think it's really nice. It's cute. We'll qualify something to be a yacht.
One of those. Those are yachts. It'd be cool if they had a houseboat.
Check out the nice chest vest we got on, the protective vest, in case we fall in and die.
My feet are on fire because I forgot flip-flops. Ow. Ow. Oh, felt like I got a splinter. Damn, I didn't. I hope I didn't. Ah, it's okay. I'm searing it off. We're sitting here waiting for Dan.
We're gonna go steal some booty.
Army mateys.
We're a bunch of pirates.
And paddles. And not
Yeah.
shit.
Man the poop deck.
Go climb the...
Just so we know if a spider's calling me, I'm
um,
gonna like jump up and scream.
Main starboard.
And,
Mast.
Walk the plank.
yeah, let's do that too.
Walk the plank.
Jump over.
And
matey.
I'm gonna try my best not to get Dan in the picture.
Yo ho!
She said she doesn't care.
Oh, okay, cool. There's Dan. You finally get to see her.
Remember the ride that we went to in Six Flags that had the same song as Pirates of the Caribbean?
Yes. Rip off.
And it closed down the day later.
Really? Oh yeah, it did.
It was so freaking old.
I made a vlog. PRTV did a vlog. Anyways, we're off. into the water.
Oh my god, there's a spider. Can you kill a spider?
Oh shit, where are they?
Ah!
Oh, I got it.
It's near me.
Don't
I don't do spiders.
Right, go with your foot.
I don't
Pick
do
him up with them by the web and throw him in the water.
I don't do
Okay, it's
spiders.
gone.
But they're gonna be down here.
It's under the white thing. We're going as fast as we can. Oh, we're slowing down.
Back
Oh,
up.
I got
Go
my
on, move.
butt.
Go on,
Oh,
move.
it's getting my butt more.
Ah! Did you kill it?
I don't mind.
Police! 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 Okay, you're not gonna see him. Anyways. So, this is Patrick here, as you know me. Here's Ryan. And there's everyone else out in the water. We found this little beach island thing.
Go show them the sign.
It's, yeah, nice
Show them
beach.
the sign down there.
There's two signs. There's one down here. It's a nice little sign. Oh, look at this watermelon we found on the beach. Ew. And there's this sign right here. I don't know what that says. Do you know what that says? I don't know. I can't read. I'm illiterate. There's another sign over here. I'm gonna let you guys pause this and try and read it. Holy crap, there's a spider. I found a glove too. Ryan's got some water for us.
See how clear that is? See how clear it is?
Close enough.
Yeah, nice and fresh. Straight out of your Chesapeake Bay. Look how clean this is. Look at this. It's so clean. I mean, we found this bottle in there, so must be
Alright, so I'm gonna put you back so I can swim some more.
Oh, I got something marine.
Ew.
What's allowed?
What's up? Oh.
Still left a mark on it.
We got Whoa. Ryan, me, we're on a boat.
We're in a boat.
We're in a boat. We're in a boat, mother fluffers. We're in a boat.
Camera. My name is Ryan. Yeah, of a raven.
Everybody say hi to the camera.
Oriole.
I want a little raven on my foot.
Everyone in.
Hi.
I
There we
want
go.
the word
Rachel.
tattoo.
Rachel,
I want
say
the
hi.
tattoo of the word
Hi.
tattoo.
Kyle, say hi.
Look at my tattoo.
Ew.
Okay. We're going to this playground to go play on it. Yeah, it's a fire truck.
Oh, we will. Wish we had baseball stuff. I want to play baseball. I like baseball.
Does that hurt?
Yeah, it does.
How do you know
Dan's
them?
teaching us how to do sign
How
language.
do you know them? It's not like drink, eat, and more when you teach babies.
Sausage.
Why are you?
Because you're teaching us sign language. And let's watch Mark do it. So he's doing turtle.
Eat.
Eat.
Sausage.
Sausage. Why does that mean sausage?
Yeah, like you're rolling out sausage.
You roll sausage.
Yeah, because you know how like in the olden days they had like plastic tube and then like the meat and then it'll go into, well, it's not really a tube, it's like a inner lining of the
The
stomach.
intestines, yeah.
Whatever, and they would stuff it up. And
Oh, I know what. Okay.
And then cut them.
I see what you're saying.
Almost got it. Yep.
How do you know them?
Obesity in America strikes again. It's gonna hurt me more than it hurts you. Just kidding. It won't.
Hi. Epic plank. This hurts.
Plank is so old. Toodles. Oh, where's my freaking sunglasses? Ah, poop.
Giant spider.
Hello.
Hi.
Today is the 4th of July, a day of freedom for all American citizens.
Yeah, this is for Americans, even though I'm sure I don't have anyone that's not an American that watches this. Anyways.
What does the 4th of July mean, you ask? It means that you can wake up every morning and be free. It means that...
Wasn't the 4th of July for the Civil War?
No? Oh wait, no, the 4th of July is when we got our freedom, because the war between us and
That's right.
the red people.
That's right, and that, the fireworks represent the bombs.
Yeah. They do?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, they do. They represent bombs, okay? Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Say hi. But today's vlog is only going to be fireworks. Hope you enjoy.
Hey. There are people in the church.
Yeah, that was a firework right there. We're getting ready. We're getting ready.
That's what we should look at. These are cool.
Stop it. That thing does not end. Ryan.
Did you see me cut my face? Whoa! Those are like... I wonder if like
Where is it? Hey Ryan. Ryan. My battery's dying. Oh, poo. I think something happened in the electrical system where it like kills the battery. Because it drains the battery really fast now. Hey, okay. Sorry about the short amount of fireworks. I my camera died while I was there recording them. So I had to. That's why you had like spotty parts in the end. I had to I was turning on my camera and pressing record really fast so before it shut off, and then it finally just wouldn't turn on. So I'm sorry, but I hope you enjoyed them. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you to all whoever watches my videos, and tune in next time.